Oh, hello, it's just Paul again, working on this President Adams. Got the detailing done, the first pass, so we can have a look, and I also had some spare knobs, so I've updated those, the ones that peeled too far. Right. The board came up really well with a clean. And there is some dry joints as one could be expecting, and the meter is pretty needs to be replaced as well. When I started working on this, I had no RX, had no TX. There were issues with the upper sideband, lower sideband and AM switching. There was obviously damage inside of these and also on the relay as expected. So over time, managed to get them working, switching, and if we're in AM now, we're on 27.355 and we're around about 8 watts. Everything is working except the meter. We can go, obviously if we look at 40, it's bang on. I'm looking at 9 watts. $26,965, bang on, and we're looking at about 7 watts. This is into a dummy load. So it's coming along quite nice. I had to clean the sides, got rid of all the gunk, and from years of being used either in farm equipment or in a boat. The back of the radio just on the first pass has come up quite well. Got rid of all of the adhesive here. I've just got to do another clean. Found it again quite rusted earthing screws on the power side, so I replaced those with a new washer, replaced these. And yeah, so there we go. Alright, just for giggles, I'm going to put the old faceplate on and see what it looks like. Alright, there you go. Put the faceplate back on. Now, so what I'm going to do is, as mentioned in the last video, I've ordered a new cover, sticker, decal. I will take all the paint off these covers. I'll polish the front panel and remove all scratches. It's looking pretty good as it is. Paint to match the decal, which is going to be pretty close to factory. And then we're ready. And I can't get much encouraging than that. So just moving forward. Thanks very much for watching. Remember, comment, like and subscribe. It does help. And I'll just keep bringing these videos to you guys. And ladies, of course. Bye.